Hi, Troy again. Let's walk through using the driver setup for your new photo scanner. To start, we need to open a standard scanning application. On a Mac, you can follow along using Presto Page Manager after locating the driver setup from the source menu. For Windows, let's use Smart Touch located as a scanner icon in the navigation toolbar. Select the icon for a menu to appear and then choose Configure. Reference the Smart Touch setup video on how to create a job. We're going to focus attention on the Scan As section. Select Settings to enter the Driver Setup menu. Here, you'll notice installed setups for a variety of document types, but we're going to show you how to set up a custom setting shortcut. Once these are built, you can export for later use, or you can import to use profiles provided by Easy Photoscan. To make a shortcut, we start by choosing a preset and select Save As. Let's call this setting 600 dpi low compression color photography. We then select Save. Our new setting is now in the list. Next, we highlight the shortcut and select the Settings button. 4 tabs appear: General, Size, Adjust, Enhance, and Detect. Starting on General, we go through the options. We scan photos in color at 24-bit, so we choose this option. You'll notice other options available: grayscale and black and white. We cover these in a detailed video later. Next, we choose the document type as photograph. If scanning documents, you can make a preset using the text option or the text with graphic options. Because we are scanning photos with this shortcut, we select glossy paper to tell the scanner what type of paper it will be scanning. There are a wide range of resolutions, but we are using this setting to scan at 600, so we select 600 dpi in the drop-down. Now compression. We can choose JPEG or none. Keep in mind that a file with no compression will be very large in size and also render as a TIFF image with the Smart Touch scanning application. For photo purposes, we select JPEG compression. Now we titled our job low compression, so we choose the last option, superior. This list classifies compression from draft, being the most compressed, to superior, being the least compressed. It also notes the file quality with stars. The more stars, the better. Next, we choose the Size tab. We make sure Automatic Detect and Straighten is selected so that the scanner will detect the size and crop to the proper size of the image. This way, we can feed a variety of picture sizes. We want to image the entire document. Next, we have the option for border trimming selection. Typically, this is set to remove border. This will slight crop the document 1/10 of an inch more, eliminating any black borders from non-straight edges. Post-scan rotation for photos is set to none. Automatic will try to rotate pictures based on content, but is most accurate with text documents only. We recommend feeding the photos in based on their orientation to save time or rotate later. Now the Adjust tab. For photos, we want to make sure all these document scanning enhancements are turned to none. While great for standard documents, they skew the color of scanned photos. In the Enhance tab, we make sure Whole Fill is unchecked, Image Fill is none, and Streak Filter is unchecked as well. Again, great for paper document scanning, but it skews photo output. Last, we make sure the blank image deletion under the Detect tab is turned off. Select Home, then choose Save at the top to make changes permanent. Keep in mind, you can set up a variety of settings for photos and treasured documents. Best practice is to check the settings before use. The last setting to mention in the driver setup is the input document selection for the drivers. Because photos are scanned face up on this device to utilize the open scanning element technology, to scan only one-sided, we select one-sided back. This is because documents are fed face down in the machine. We can also select two-sided to scan both sides of the photo at the same time. Lastly, remember that you can create settings for a variety of different uses, including documents and photos. We highly recommend making settings most common to the photos and treasured documents you scan regularly. That concludes this video.